how the product is producing collagen. I mean, light से कैसे हो रहा है वो?
There is a huge gap. या तो हम घर पे क्रीम्स एंड लोशन लगाते हैं या तो हम सैलून भागते हैं.
Yeah.
So there was nothing in between.
तुमने कभी बायोटिन डेफिशिएंसी किसी में एक्चुअली सुनी है? It's very very rare.
People come with the question कि मेरे को आलिया भट्ट जैसी स्किन चाहिए. You know, so that's the thing that people
So I mean,
are looking for.
if you ate shit every day and just did the light therapy, it's not going to work. And vice versa. Like if you ate everything super clean, you're still going to maybe find an acne breakout.
Facial hair remove करने से hair regrowth ठीक होता है. That's the biggest myth.
If you've had it, if it's hereditary, it's going to happen.
Beauty should be liberating. Beauty should not be one additional task. They want to look their best. It makes them feel confident, and when you feel more confident, you are more productive.
Overall, I'm super impressed, and the offer still stands. Give me a chance to make money.
Hello guys, welcome to Glowing Up with Gadgets. Welcome you all. I'm super excited to have this conversation यार. I mean, when it comes to beauty and skin, हमेशा हम यही सोचते हैं कि you know क्रीम्स कौन सी बेटर लगानी है, यार ऑर्गेनिक पे चले जाते हैं या डर्मेट टेस्टेड पे चले जाते हैं, बट gadgets altogether is breaking the industry. I mean, super excited to ask this from you who has her own startup focusing on that, and you जिन्होंने तो दुनिया में I think बड़े बड़े बॉलीवुड स्टार्स को चेंज कर दिया. तो वेलकम टू द शो एंड हैप्पी टू हैव यू हियर.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so first of all, I want to start from you, Siddhan. I mean, आप famous हो इतने Bollywood stars से लेके आपका जो food दर्जी है. I mean, you're doing so much different work when it comes to nutrition and being a doctor. You have done so many different things. तो मैं आपसे पहले आपकी journey जानना चाहती हूँ. I want audience to know कहाँ से आप कहाँ तक आए हो. Being a doctor, not being a doctor, and then having this beautiful startup जो normal इंसान के साथ Bollywood stars को इतना help कर रहा है. So please tell us your journey.
So मेरी जर्नी काफ़ी सिंपल रही है. I got into MBBS in 2012 when I was 18 years old.
Yeah.
It took me 4.5 years to clear my exams, and post that I sort of lost interest in becoming a doctor per se. So on technical terms, I dropped out of MBBS and I started my first startup, which was called Food Darzi. Now obviously जब Food Darzi start किया तब थोड़ी सी अक्ल आई. I needed to get my doctor's degree. So it took me another 4.5 years to get my doctor's degree because I kept going back in parts and doing my internship. MBBS में क्या होता है that you have 4.5 years of पढ़ाई and then you got 1 year of internship जहाँ पे तुमको अपने ही हॉस्पिटल में काम करना होता है. So मैंने bits and pieces में अपनी internship finish करी. Then I finally got my MBBS degree. So,
but first to cut you there, why did you needed MBBS degree to go ahead with food?
So I didn't need it. I mean, ever since a kid, the dream was always to become a doctor.
Yeah.
My dad's a doctor, my granddad's a doctor. That was my dream too. Somewhere in the final year of MBBS, I started losing interest in the whole scope of being a doctor. I'd also fallen ill at that point in time, and basically being in the hospital wasn't the most conducive to my own health journey. So I had to think of something else, and luckily I met with 3 friends coincidentally belonging to my school, and we started Food Darzi. Obviously जब तुम अपना first startup start करते हो, in fact back then it wasn't even a start, like the startup culture sort of came into India in 2017-18 when it became popular to have a startup.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे we just dived into it thinking कि कुछ तो कर लेंगे, and luckily we made something out of it. So it wasn't my plan to become an entrepreneur. It just happened, and I think there's no going back from it now.
There's no going
Yeah.
back. But if I ask you, Food Darzi ऐसा क्या अलग कर रहा है मार्केट में? बिकॉज अगर हम बात करें न्यूट्रिशन की या डिलीवरी एप्स की और वट एवर, सो काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो लोग एक बेसिक चीज़ देखते हैं कि खाना क्या टेस्ट हो रहा है, और हेल्दी तो आई थिंक वो देखते
Correct.
ही नहीं है. तो आप क्या बोलोगे कि हाउ इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग फ्रॉम अदर
So
थिंग्स?
how it was different was very simple. When we started off, we were the only people doing this, and हम लोग ने शुरुआत करी थी ketogenic diet से. तो in 2017, the keto wave had just hit India, like just hit India, and we capitalized on it. So we became the only brand in India जो keto food की diets भी दे रहा था और उस diet के हिसाब से उनको खाना भी दे रहा था. Now back then there was only one brand in the market called Calorie Care, and Calorie Care was a health food subscription delivery brand. Which has been there since I was in school. Like I remember when I was in school and mummy, if she had gone for a conference or something like that, she used to order my food from Calorie Care. So उस टाइम पे कोई ब्रांड ऐसा था ही नहीं जो तुम्हारी एक्चुअल नीड को सॉल्व करे. मतलब देखो डाइट देने वाले बहुत होते हैं, बट मुश्किल पार्ट अबाउट द डाइट इज फॉलोइंग द डाइट. डाइट तो तुमको गूगल से भी मिल जाती है. सो व्हाट वी डिड वाज वी ब्रिज दैट गैप. वी गेव यू द डाइट we gave you the expertise with it, and we gave you the food which helped you follow that diet. That is what we were doing different. Obviously now, it's been 7.5 years almost since we've been doing Food Darzi. Many people are doing what we're doing. So now how we differ is, one, the brand name, and two, it's just pure execution. So at the end of the day, even though we're a nutrition service, we're a food company. And food means you have to get it right every single day. So the main differentiator now between us and our competitors is that we get it right every single day.
एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ ह्यूज मार्केट. मतलब अगर हम इंडस्ट्री की भी बात करें तो ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो लोगों के, एक तो होता है जोमेटो से ऑर्डर कर लिया खुद हिसाब से, एक होता है न्यूट्रिशन के पास चले गए, बट यू आर जस्ट कंबाइनिंग इट बोथ और घर पे आप भिजवा रहे हो. एंड सेम गोज टू प्रो टच. आई मीन योर्स इज लाइक स्किन इंडस्ट्री एंड ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री. तो अगर मैं सोचूं और किसी भी इंसान का हम देखें तो एक ही चीज़ होता है, या तो यार घर पे अपने सारे नुस्खे यूज़ कर लिए टू गेट दैट ग्लोई स्किन, और सेकंड होता है फिर वो नहीं हो रहा है तो गो बैक टू द डर्मैट, सो डायरेक्टली गो टू द डॉक्टर. सो बट आई थिंक यू आर बिल्डिंग अ प्रोडक्ट जिसमें हम डर्मैट और घर के नुस्खों के बीच में घर पे हम चीज़ें डर्मैट बेस्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो आई थिंक लाइक एडिंग अप साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. तो आई मीन यू गाइज बोथ आर बिल्डिंग द सेम काइंड ऑफ, एक जो गैप होता है ना मार्केट में. तो फर्स्ट प्रो टच के बारे में, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कुडोज टू यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इन द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री, एंड टेल मी मोर अबाउट इट, द प्रोडक्ट, एंड हाउ डिड यू इवन कम अप विद दिस आइडिया. आई मीन
Sure, I mean, see, you rightly mentioned कि there is a huge gap, and या तो हम घर पे creams and lotion लगाते हैं, या तो हम salon भागते हैं.
Yeah.
So there was nothing in between. Now I have been working in the industry for last 7 years. I have been a core team member for one of the India's leading men's grooming brand. Then I've been a part of a leading cosmetic brand, skincare brand, hair care brand. It was very early in my career. Okay, so I got the right exposure to the industry. From e-commerce to NPDs to innovation, and जो day to day hustle होता था, जो day to day consumer interaction होता था, जो नए नए researches आ रहे थे from the direct conversation, I understood कि this is an endless market which is ever growing. ठीक है, तो market तो grow कर रहा है, but what is it that you can do into it? How it is changing consumers' life? तो I figured कि consumer का life तो change हो रहा है, पर उसको हम बस additional treatment दिए जा रहे हैं. एक टाइम था जब हम शैम्पू और कंडीशनर से खुश थे, आज 10 सीरम लगाने के बाद भी हमारे बाल जा रहे हैं, हम स्किन के लिए आज भी रो रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज माय प्राइमरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हिच आई वाज स्टिल रिसर्चिंग इनटू. नाउ व्हाइल आई वाज एट अ जॉब, कोविड हिट. During COVID, what happened? People just went back to their kitchen and started applying anything and everything on their skin without understanding कि वो जो हल्दी, चंदन, कुमकुम कुछ भी वो लगा रहे हैं अपने स्किन के ऊपर, वो स्किन के लिए नहीं बना है. So it needs a certain grade, and those products did not have those kind of grades. Then came कि ऑनलाइन क्या बिक रहा है, जो बिक रहा है खरीद लो, रिजल्ट मत देखो. और in the entire process, that time also, जिनका कोई specific treatment चल रहा था, or people who were into early stage of their hair fall, or early stage of a certain skin condition, they could not get any results. And post COVID, consumers mindset just changed. Okay, now they want to consume, now they are going out more than ever before, their spending power has increased, and जो saving का mentality था वो experience का mentality बन गया. ठीक है, so these were the few trends which I was observing into the category itself. And apart from these trends, I understand how can I simplify my consumer's life when I launch a brand, because it was my dream, okay, that one day I will build a business. I belong to the land of enterprise, and I have grown, seeing enterprises around me. So this was my vision कि कुछ करना है, and beauty is the segment I thoroughly enjoy. So this was the clear gap which I identified, and that was the moment, when I realized that okay, these are the devices. Consumers are spending so much of the money and still not getting the right result. And apart from the money also, they are going through so much of hassles, and it was not simplified to go to a dermat or maybe use 10-step regime every day. I work 9 to 7. Okay, 7 बजे जाके मुझे नहीं लगाने 10 सीरम करके. I just want a quick solution, which is a good experience. So that's how ProTouch came into the picture, which literally means giving professional touch to your everyday beauty.
Wow, I mean, I love the names both you have given. I think very customized. Food Darzi and ProTouch. It's like very, it can actually tell कि product क्या कर रहा है. I'll again come back to that कि generally क्या होता है कि first चीज़ है कि मैं शायद अभी भी एक मास्क और क्रीम से ऊपर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुछ ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगा तो डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगी, बट ये चीज़ें प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करना, एंड सेम फॉर यू कि जाके ऐप से ऑर्डर करना, न्यूट्रिशन ऑनलाइन लेना, ये चीज़ें अभी भी लोगों को बहुत फैंसी लगती हैं. ऑनेस्टली अगर देखा जाए कि यार ये तो बड़े बड़े लोगों को जिनको इसकी ज़रूरत ज़रूरत है शायद उनको ही करना चाहिए. And it is considered more of a want rather than a need, rather than एक lifestyle का scene है. तो how you are bridging that gap? How you both are awareness कैसे create कर रहे हो? First Tanisha, I want to ask you, ProTouch का आप कैसे create कर रहे हो awareness?
See, we talk with our consumer in their language, okay? And let me break it down.
हाँ.
You say it that this seems like the things for fancier people. We'll of course talk with you, Dr. Siddhant, on this, that how celebs and global market people.
Yeah, I am going to deep dive there for sure.
So we'll definitely go to that. But see, this is not only for the fancy people. This is for the people who just want to feel best about themselves.
हाँ.
And I truly believe that beauty should be liberating. Beauty should not be one additional task to your day. Okay. Every day, more and more workforce is coming from women, even men for that matter. They want to look their best. It makes them feel confident, and when you feel more confident, you are more productive.
100%.
Right? And people are so getting into some superficial insecurities that okay, what if I lose my hair? वो what if I lose my hair के चक्कर में तुम ज़्यादा बाल खो रहे हो.
हाँ.
जो nobody actually looks at it. So this is a need. What my products does is कि तुम्हारा जो आज हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, जो तुमको 45 साल पे जाके हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराना पड़ेगा, और that would be the stage when you will lose all of your hair. Why are you stressing about that today? Prolong that, the cycle by another 10 years. Start using these kind of devices by yourself. See the results for yourself, and feel good about yourself. You don't have to go through another task.
Yeah, true.
To have that beauty experience. Another thing which you say that how we are spreading the awareness or how we are connecting with our consumer. We run clinical trials on our product. Okay, so whatever product we are selling are clinically tested, and we also take help of the experts themselves to understand that what kind of treatments are there available in the global market or in the salons, and how we can simplify it for everyday usage, or maybe how we can simplify it to make it more functional to suit everyday lifestyle. And the same thing we go and communicate to our consumer. So these are the few features, Dr. Siddhant.
Yeah, I mean, see, the fact of the matter is that beauty and health, I don't think it's reached the stage of a need yet. It's still a want. Now, there are two aspects to this, right? Like, if you were genuinely an educator who cared about people's lives, you'd educate because you understand that part of beauty and part of health are actual needs. Like, for example, it's a need to be healthy. Why? Like, there could be people who'd want to go about their entire life not caring about their skin or not taking care about their body, because it's, at the end of the day, it's their choice, as people call it, But I think people are getting more aware and more conscious about the fact that even though these are wants, they should become needs, because eventually it sort of reduces the quality of your life if you've not paid attention to these in your earlier years. So if you asked a 50-year-old or a 60-year-old, they wouldn't fret as much about their health when they were in their 20s and 30s than we do right now. Because the thing is, we've seen our grandparents' age, we've seen our parents' age, we've seen what the current state of the world in terms of just pollutants or the quality of air, water, food that we're eating, not making health, or when we say beauty, I just mean damage to any part of your body. So when you talk about beauty, it's the skin. When you talk about my stuff, it's basically obesity, it's diabetes, it's your lifestyle. If it doesn't become a need now, you probably won't ever be able to make it a want. Because it'll be so far-fetched a thought for you to change things when you're 40 and 50. Plus, the quality of your life is going to be definitely affected. Because let's face it, our life expectancy is 85 years in India as of now. But then between the ages of 70 and 85, what kind of a life do you have? I mean, I've seen some of my friends' grandparents, my grandparents, how they've aged. And some of them who actually understood that these kind of things are needs and not wants, they're aging much better. So the quality of their life is better. So if you invest in stocks to think about your financial freedom, look at this as this is also an investment that you must make if you genuinely want to live a decent life when you're older.
True, and this makes a lot of sense. I mean, in terms की जैसे lifestyle change हो गया, अगर वही हम पुराने नुस्खे जो हमारे grandparents use करते थे, पर उनका like he said pollution and everything, things have changed. तो हमें I think इस present condition से fight करने के लिए या हमें survive करने के लिए I think we need to.
I mean, everything's changed, right? Like when I talk about air, food, water, essentially all of this comes back to तुम्हारी body में inflammation कितना बन रहा है. Now, inflammation as a concept is not very old. Say about 5-7 years पहले people start talking about inflammation.
Can you define
so for people watching what we're saying, inflammation is essentially aging. That's what it is. तो होता क्या है that your body is like a, think about it this way, it's like a ticking time bomb. So with each second that passes, just your body being your body means breathing in air, eating food, excreting the waste, ये सारी चीजें करने में ना there is an X amount of inflammation that gets created. Think about it this way कि अगर तुम्हारी एक गाड़ी है, जब तुम्हारी गाड़ी 10,000 किलोमीटर चलती है, उसमें हल्का वेयर एंड टेयर होता है, फिर जब 20,000 चलती है और वेयर एंड टेयर होता है. इज इट पॉसिबल टू अवॉइड दिस वेयर एंड टेयर? नो, इट्स अ मशीन, उसमें वेयर एंड टेयर होना है, इसलिए तुम उसकी सर्विसिंग कराते हो. द सेम वे योर बॉडी इज अंडरगोइंग वेयर एंड टेयर एवरी सिंगल डे एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. तो सिंप्लीफाइंग इट फर्दर, अगर तुम एक कटे हुए फ्रूट को बाहर रख देते हो, वो लाल पड़ जाता है. What is happening that the air is oxidizing it. The fruit has aged. The same thing happens to your body with every process at any given point in time. So इसलिए ये जो antioxidants इतने famous हो गए हैं, they are basically preventing oxidation. So they are preventing inflammation. So they are preventing aging.
So does your product helps in that?
So we have blue LED light. So blue LED light is the shortest wavelength of the light, which works on the surface of your skin and your scalp, which prevents the inflammation and
Absolutely.
cures the inflammation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And we also have red LED light. So red LED light is the sharpest and the longest wavelength of the light. So that penetrates a little deeper onto your skin and stimulates the stem cell activity. Of course, he will be able to put some more light onto it. But it basically, stimulates the stem cell activities, which naturally boost the production of the collagen, which is existingly
Yep.
happening on your skin and your scalp.
Absolutely.
Okay. So मतलब मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि the light therapy, the LED light therapy that you're using, it's adding on to what the externally adding on to what our body has been producing. That's what you're
Yeah.
saying, right? So I want to ask you, मतलब so example, अगर मैं आपकी देखूँ, you say as per your work, you say कि जो internal what we are eating, what we are consuming, it changes our body, it changes
Correct.
how we look, how we feel, and everything. And for you, it's more like what you're externally. Internally is of course important, but external part is also important. So first I want you to tell and acknowledge this part ki how much this makes sense to you, that external usage and therapies are required for our body.
So I mean, they're always going to go hand in hand. Like it's never going to be one or the other. Like if you ate shit every day and just did the light therapy, it's not going to work. And vice versa. Like if you ate everything super clean, you're still going to maybe find an acne breakout. You're still maybe going to find because of genetic attributes, you're maybe going to lose hair, or you're maybe going to get fine lines, or maybe going to get wrinkles. So ये दोनों का साथ में combination therapy is the most effective therapy. Like we were talking about this in the morning also, and I asked her also a very similar question, and she said that with the use of these external light-based therapies, for example, it basically enhances the way whatever you're doing internally also works. So both these have to go hand in hand, and of course once we get to specific products, we'll be able to plug in these things better, so we can actually talk about how each particular product can be sort of, you do one thing internally and then you add this external product, and then you can basically create like the best concoction for your body.
Got it. So I would like to get deep dive in the products that you have and how is it working, so that we will able to understand कि जो आप बोल रहे हो रेड लाइट्स होता है या ब्लू लाइट होता है, तो उसका कैसे इफेक्ट आता है. सो उससे पहले मेरे को एक बार टेक्नोलॉजी पर से आपसे पूछना है स्पेसिफिकली कि टेक्नोलॉजी का, बिकॉज लाइक यू हैव बीन ट्रीटिंग सो मेनी स्टार्स एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेल्थ, तो वो चीज़ों पे तो मैं काफ़ी डीप डाइव करना चाहूँगी. बट एक चीज़ मेरे को पूछना है कि लाइक अगर हम बॉलीवुड भी देखते हैं, तो बॉलीवुड में क्या है कि बहुत बार हम देखते हैं कि यार एक ही मूवी के लिए वो एकदम से ही वॉज वेरी फैट एंड देन एकदम से दे आर वेरी थिन. सो फर्स्ट चीज़ की how does it work? It looks conflicting to the audience, so how does it work?
It is conflicting because it's not real. When I say it's not real, I mean it's not achievable for a common man. So बात simple है that an actor is doing two different roles, and उसने ये बोला है कि मैं एक साल में 2 मूवी शूट करूंगा. एक मूवी के लिए उसको एक 60-year-old बनना है जो बहुत ही ओबीज है, और एक मूवी के लिए उसको एक 30-year-old प्ले करना है जिसके एब्स हैं. Now, a normal individual cannot transform between these two phases in a single year. It's basically not possible. Like तुम शायद पतले हो जाओगे, but you can't put on that much muscle in the span of 1 year. So they do take the help of steroids. This is a known fact. I don't think it's something to be ashamed of or something to be hidden. It's a very known fact because we also expect them to look like the part that they're playing. मतलब अगर वो बस तुमको आके स्क्रीन पे बोल दे कि आज मैं 60-year-old का पार्ट प्ले कर रहा हूँ without actually looking the same, you're not going to believe it.
Of course.
So they have to do it not because they want to, but because they need to. And they do use steroids. Now let's clarify a little bit about steroids. Steroids are not shortcuts or cheat codes. They're basically like it's like a level up. Think about it that way. इसमें कोई shortcut cheat code नहीं होता है. तुमको अभी भी उतनी ही strictly अपनी diet follow करनी है. तुमको अभी भी उतनी ही स्ट्रिक्टली अपना वर्कआउट फॉलो करना है. तुमको उतना ही स्ट्रिक्टली अपना स्लीप, अपने सप्लीमेंट्स फॉलो करने हैं. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट अगर तुम नॉर्मली 1 to 2 जाते एक साल में, तुम यहाँ से शायद 1 to 4 जा सकते हो.
It's just increasing the
yes,
process.
it's increasing the outcome of the mehnat that you're putting in. That is what steroids do.
Okay.
So that's the way they get there. But it's not achievable for a normal person.
Yeah, I mean, so that's what I'm saying. When it comes to skin, also in that matter, बहुत बार ये होता है क्योंकि उनकी skin, like if you see the skin, so बहुत लोग तो ऐसे यार मुझे उसकी skin चाहिए. When I've interviewed a dermat also, so उन्होंने भी ये बोला कि people come with the question कि मेरे को आलिया भट्ट जैसी skin चाहिए, you know. So that's the thing that people
So, I mean,
are looking for.
A large part of it, of course, I'm going to let you take this also, but genetics is always going to be factor number 1, at least in my opinion.
Okay.
If you were, why does a European skin look and behave differently? Why does an Australian skin look and behave differently? Why does a Korean skin look and behave differently? Why does an Indian skin look and behave differently? Because we are all coming from different races. Each of us 2000 years ago were living in different circumstances, and evolution changed our skin in a certain manner.
True.
Somebody who's dark skinned is dark skinned because they were in regions where they were facing a ton of sunlight, and to protect them their skin sort of turned dark. And this works with multiple aspects. Like बंदर सीधा क्यों खड़ा हुआ? Because उसको घूम घूम के हंट करके खाना था. So it's all evolution. So सबसे पहली चीज तो genetic होगी ही. Think about an actor's journey. Again, this is very logically speaking. अब finally वो era चालू हो गया है जहाँ पे people value acting. So even a person who was not told his entire life, wow तुम इतने सुंदर हो, तुमको actor बनना चाहिए, has the confidence to become an actor just based on his कला. 5 साल, 7 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल पहले कौन सोचता था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा? वही पर्सन जिसको 1000 लोग ऑलरेडी बोल चुके हैं तुम इतने सुंदर हो, तुम एक्टर बनो. So it's not like they were already beautiful. They were already attractive because they were genetically made so. And then obviously you can do things to maybe make it better or prevent your beauty from going away. Even Alia Bhatt, for example, she has wonderful skin. मतलब वो साफ दिखता है. She's always going to have better skin than say actor XYZ. She has to do things to make sure that she continues being this way. She has to do this to make sure that she continues looking 30. But no matter what you do, her skin is going to be better than somebody who's not Alia Bhatt.
Yeah, true that. But वही होता है ना कि इतना मेकअप यूज करते हैं on a day to day basis, तब वो मेकअप लगाना, रिमूव करना, so it always comes back with the pros and cons
100%.
of course, right? तो उसमें वो issues तो आते ही रहते होंगे कि you have acne, you have lesser glowy skin and
Yeah.
stuff. So उसमें आई वांट टू आस्क यू एक्चुअली इस चीज़ में कि जैसे ये सारी इशू होते हैं और दिस इज तो एक्ट्रेस, उनके तो आई मीन डरमैट के पास जाके आई डोंट नो कितने चलते हो, मतलब दे नीड दैट टू मेंटेन दैट स्किन पार्ट. बट अगर नॉर्मल इंसान, बिकॉज आजकल सब पीपल आर आउट देयर, पीपल आर क्रिएटिंग लॉट ऑफ कॉन्टेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, सो इट कैन बी पर्सनल क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. बट हाँ, सो मेकअप इज लाइक इट हैज़ बिकम अ डे टू डे लाइफ. अब उसमें रिमूवल, मेकअप रिमूवल प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करना, अगेन दिस इज ऑल विच वी ऑल नो इज सपोज टू बी डन. बट योर प्रोडक्ट्स, इफ आई यूज योर, for example, the mask and everything, so can that help in, you know, reducing the acne probability or probably the glowy skin part? Does that help in that way also?
So see, well, of course, I'll show you product by product that how it actually helps, and all of these things actually makes and improves your skin, or keeps your skin the way it is in its best, healthiest version.
Okay.
ठीक है. आपका स्किन कब खराब होता है? When you are exposed to your sun and you are not taking care of the sun, your skin, you are not cleaning your skin nicely. Cleaning your skin is a very crucial part, because if your skin is not clean, no matter आप कितने सीरम लगा लो वो नहीं काम करने वाले हैं, because your pores are ultimately clogged,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it's not going to work that way. सेकेंडली व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि एक मेकअप होता है जो उन पे लगता है, वो रिमूव करते हैं, फिर भी उनकी स्किन एक सर्टेन टाइप की होती है. ऑफ कोर्स बैक मी अप डॉक्टर सिद्धांत हियर इफ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज गोइंग इन द डायरेक्शन दैट सी उनके ऊपर मेकअप लगता है बिकॉज वो एक सर्टेन टाइप की ट्रीटमेंट करा के उनकी स्किन 30 ईयर की लगे उस तरह की मेंटेन करने के एफर्ट्स लेते हैं.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है, अगर मैं वो एफर्ट्स ही नहीं लेती हूँ, आई एम नॉट वॉशिंग माई फेस, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग रिड ऑफ द मेकअप दैट आई पुट टुडे, एंड टुमारो मॉर्निंग आई वेक अप एंड आई वांट टू पुट द मेकअप अगेन विदाउट क्लीनिंग यस्टरडेज मेकअप और टेकिंग एनी अदर केयर व्हिच इज लाइक फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल सोर्स, वो मेकअप उस तरह का फ्लॉलेस कभी लगने ही नहीं वाला है.
True.
So this is the importance of including a good skin care, good hair care devices, or maybe any specific treatment for that matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's look deep dive in the products first. मेरे को क्योंकि ये questions आएंगे तो I want to understand how is it all working. So let's talk about the mask that you have, like we've spoken about the mask. ठीक है, अब इसमें I want to ask you कि जैसे सिद्धांत also said कि collagen produce होता है and then that helps. तो first of all आप एक normal अगर if a 15-year-old girl is watching this, collagen क्या, what is collagen, वो कैसे produce होता है body में, and how your product is helping, I want to understand that per se. So please, sir, first of all you tell me.
So collagen is basically a protein that is found primarily in the skin. Obviously in other connective tissue as well, so bones, ligaments, etc. But collagen, to a 15-year-old, collagen's main job is to make sure that your skin is elastic, is not sagging, is not prone to creating wrinkles, and is basically looking plump. That's what collagen does. As you age, the amount of collagen in your skin keeps reducing slowly by slowly. Why? Because of oxidation of those cells that can produce collagen. So वो cells भी age कर रही हैं, इसलिए collagen production भी धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है. So now what we try and do is that you want to do everything to promote the formation of collagen ताकि आपकी skin अभी भी उतनी elastic लगे, अभी भी उतनी healthy लगे, and that's when the face mask and various other treatments come into the picture.
तो ये कौन से एज पे से हमें ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए?
I think post puberty is when you start.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean
So it should be
most
that
changes,
early.
most aging related changes happen post puberty. Even if you talk about men losing their hair, post puberty is when they start losing their hair in very small quantities and they don't realize it. And same
So
early hair thinning, most changes happen post puberty.
Okay.
So
okay.
they can't be obsessed about it then, but I think just healthier life choices as children is going to go a long way, but usko bhi time hai. So here comes Tarisha to the rescue.
Yes,
so now
how the product is producing collagen? I mean light से कैसे हो रहा है वो?
So as I said, ये जो products है उसके अंदर different type के lights की wavelength
ठीक है.
So we have a red LED light.
ठीक है.
Red LED light is the longest wavelength of the light. All of the lights basically works on the wavelength. Now red LED light का जो wavelength है that gets absorbed onto your skin like up to epidermis and dermis level. और जो आपके skin cells है, how Dr. सिद्धांत said कि उसके cell के अंदर collagen produce होता है, that is natural. तो वो stem cell activity को stimulate करता है, जिससे body gets the signal that okay, this is the place where they need to fasten the process of producing collagen, which is existingly there on your skin.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is how your skin start producing more collagen, and it shows onto your skin like it looks plumper, it looks cleaner. Your fine lines starts reducing slowly when you use this process regularly.
But I've been seeing, I was actually watching more podcasts on it and everything. So उसमें मैंने ये देखा था कि आजकल, and in fact research जो कि collagen लोग orally बहुत लेने लगे. Like people have started using medicines for it. So does that work? I mean.
So I mean it's still somewhere in the gray. Like there will be dermatologists and other doctors जो कुछ बोलते हैं that oral collagen works.
Okay.
And it should be taken, and part of the fraternity will say that it's a complete waste of money. So the answers are still unclear. The correct way of doing this would be that we can probably in this podcast just link an article. तो हम लोग पीछे जाके देख सकते हैं कि what the current peer reviewed researches say whether oral collagen works or no, and that should be definitive. So the thing with health, the industry is that वो काफी evolve होती रहती है. So some things that we believed were true 3 years ago, शायद 2 साल बाद एक नई research आ जाएगी जो उसको contradict कर देगी with enough and more proof. So we've got to be, we have to just keep our minds open and not be stuck on to views, and
100%.
that's the way it should be. Then you're treating your patient the best. वरना तुम बस अपने ही ईगो ट्रिप पे अपने पेशेंट को उसी हिसाब से ट्रीट कर रहे हो जो तुमने एक बार सोच लिया सही था.
हाँ, true that, and that actually happens a lot.
Yeah.
So, but इसमें ये जैसे you are saying कि collagen produce करता है, and he saying कि orally मतलब it's still a debatable thing. तो कितनी बार मतलब how much collagen is enough, I would say, कि दिन में रोज एक बार मास्क यूज करें. How should it work like that then?
See, how much collagen is would be a very, it depends person on person, a very clinical question.
Yeah.
Talking about how and when to use the
हाँ.
product, to see the result, you have to, kind of use this product at least 5 times a week, 10
Okay.
minutes a day.
Okay.
Kind of, the, regime.
Can we try it also?
Yeah, please. Actually, so it's so you just switch it on like this. This is the red.
Okay, I'm going to try it.
Yes,
I'm
please.
excited.
So you can switch, use this button to change the color of the light.
So this is red light that you
Then we
mentioned
have blue
about.
light.
So, okay, I'm colorblind.
This
is
this
blue.
This is blue.
Yes.
This is
orange.
What does this do?
So this helps on the melanin, like the hyperpigmentation
Okay.
that a person would have on their skin.
Okay.
So ये melanin की production को ऊपर की skin के level तक नहीं आने देता.
Melanin का क्या काम होता है?
Melanin is the pigment on your skin. Am I right, Doctor?
See, and
I look pretty cool.
it looks
Yeah.
handsome also.
I think we should just do the remaining part of this conversation, all three of us with the mask on.
I think we should. I'll have to get one more mask. If we can have one
and
more.
अभी तो I think it works like two ways. एक तो ये this is working in the layer skin layer part, और साथ में भी जितना कोरोना चल रहा है, I think it makes you feel safe a lot.
Okay.
So this is blue.
Yeah, that's a blue light.
What does blue light do?
So blue is the shortest wavelength of the light.
Okay.
ठीक है? It works on the layer of the skin, like the uppermost layer of the skin. And I know you like video games, so I'll give you a good example of it. You know how we are playing a video game and we are the hero and we have a lot of enemies who we have to go and kill. So blue light is basically our hero.
Okay.
When we come back to home and we have a lot of bacteria accumulation on our skin, the blue light just triggers that bacteria as if our hero is killing all of the enemies of the other end.
Okay.
So all of the bacteria are targeted and killed. So जो sebum production होता है वो भी regulate होता है, जिससे आपके existing जो acne होते हैं that also flattens with time and नए acne या नए blackhead whiteheads नहीं बनते हैं.
Oh wow.
Okay, so this is like the inflammation killer
Yes,
basically.
this is inflammation killer. Yes.
Okay, so this is blue. This is orange.
Orange, yes.
Orange you mentioned was the one for.
For pigmentation.
For
so it
pigmentation.
targets the melanin.
Okay, and
So people can use it all together.
Yeah. No, so I mean, one light will be on at one point.
हाँ
of
नहीं,
time.
of course.
हाँ.
But a
Pretty cool.
person can use all three.
All three of it, yes. Based on your needs, a person can use it one after the other.
done.
Wow, that's some revolutionary product for sure, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't think, like, of course, I've seen it before because I know you. But before I knew you, I hadn't ever seen this product before.
Yeah, but I'm
Yeah.
sure you have seen things like this in the clinics and this.
I have in the clinics, but why? Like, it's not accessible to most people,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like, I'm sure this product is not even going to be very expensive. But if I have to go to the clinic to get this treatment done, it's going to be tens and thousands of rupees to sort of spend on this. So I don't know. Most
I'll
people
double
might
down
not
on
find
that,
it worth
like-
it.
Yeah, and I'll double down on that. So, when you say that it is expensive in clinics, one time salon visit to get a facial like this, it's 10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees.
Yes.
Oh. So, but इसमें और lasers में कोई difference है?
So laser is a sharper light.
हाँ.
Okay, lasers always needs a expert, supervision whenever
हाँ.
it is performed on your skin, on your hair, because वो बहुत sharp light होते हैं and they are very intense and that cannot be performed by an individual by themselves. It is not advisable. So wavelength
Okay.
is different basically.
Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
we can say it कि अगर long time term में तुम ये use करोगे तो lasers तक की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. You don't need to
हाँ,
even
so-
go to a dermat
Yeah,
or something
probably.
like that.
Yes,
Right.
yes. I mean, see, dermats, people go to dermats for so many reasons.
हाँ.
Dermats in salon are, popular and उनका एक अलग popularity है. Salon तुम hair spa कराने जाओगे, but not every day you can go to salon and sit there for 1 hour and get that spa done. Dermat के पास you go for so many skin concerns apart from just getting a glowing skin or getting rid of the acne or your hair fall. Or maybe you'll go to a dermat when you are in the stage 4 or stage 6 or stage 7 of your hair, where you need a PRP or maybe when you need
Yeah,
a transplant.
True.
These are the things to delay that process.
Yeah.
Like today you have hair, you are just starting to seeing all of these issues earlier, and you still save your hair. You still save your skin.
True. But इसमें so one thing, because I recently interviewed an eye doctor जिसमें they mentioned the rays for the eyes. So ये जो LED rays होता है when we are using it, इससे eye पे कोई effect नहीं आता है.
No, in
Because
fact,
lot of people will have that question कि यार इससे बाकी कुछ effect नहीं आएगा and all of.
no, agreed. So see, if you see the eye area, there is no light in the eye area.
Yeah.
So and it has a protective layer. You won the mask. Did you feel anything
Yeah,
that
no,
was,
I
you know,
didn't.
I think he can, matlab, a person with specs also can wear
yeah,
it and use it.
can, but matlab, he is wearing quite a stylish glasses. So
Yeah, I think without specs is easier.
Yeah.
But yeah, like when I wore it, I didn't feel like the light going into my eyes.
So that's one product now. So basically, you are using all the LED lights in different products according to different requirements. So one is for fair skin, matlab, as in skin, and another is for hair.
In fact, I was going to say this, that like how supplements over the counter have become so common. Like सबको पता है कि उनको you know कभी कभार वो विटामिन सी अपना चालू कर लेते हैं, like या सबको पता है कि उनको say curd is good for health. The same way I think eventually people who are really passionate about their skin can move towards product like these where there is a clear efficacy, you know, it's proven, like clinical trials are showing that it works. So instead of spending say thousands and thousands and thousands on treatments, if they invested in this, which is considerably cheaper, I think it might do them a lot more good.
I think it's the futuristic product. It's like that. और लोग अभी से अगर start कर दे तो the sooner the better, I would say.
Definitely.
100%. And what about hair? Like you have the comb for hair. So first of all, आपसे मेरे को जानना है hair fall क्योंकि बहुत बढ़ गया. Maybe it's because
Same
of
thing.
weather.
It's the same thing. It's literally, see again, factor number 1 is genetics.
Okay.
Factor number 2 is the environment.
But genetics में उसमें क्या होता है? You're saying genetics, but genetics में probably mom dad के 50 साल के थे तब उनके hair fall चालू.
जरूरी
आजकल
नहीं
20
है.
साल में
So
लोगों के
stats,
start
at
हो
least
गए
for
हैं.
men, if you talk about, the stats are pretty simple. That by the age of 30% of men have lost their hair. By the age of 40% of men have lost their hair, and by the age of 50% of men have lost their hair. So if you talk about men, the male pattern baldness that happens, it starts in their early 20s only. And if you've had it, if it's hereditary, it's going to happen. मतलब तुम ऐसा कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते.
So is there a sort of stages or something?
There are stages, there's a classification to it, but basically funda behind male pattern hair losses, which affects 50% of men, is testosterone in your blood. होता क्या है कि तुम्हारे बाल पे certain areas होते हैं जहाँ पे तुम्हारे hair follicles are prone to damage by testosterone only. So otherwise testosterone is responsible for the growth of hair in the body. The beard, underarms, hands, legs is all governed by testosterone. But on your scalp, they are prone to hair loss because of testosterone. So as long as you are a man, you will lose hair if your follicles are predisposed to it. So ये तो पूरा का पूरा ही genetic component है.
We cannot save.
You can't do anything about it. So that's when you start things like minoxidil, you start things like light therapy, because these are basically helping you to delay this process. ये होने तो वाला ही है. She had very rightly mentioned in the beginning that instead of getting a transplant at 40, you push it by another 15 years and you get it at 55 if you want to. So those things can happen. But the process of balding is going to happen. Now part 2 of balding is the environmental causes, जो women में भी होता है, men में भी होता है, where you're just randomly your hair is becoming scanty, you're having too much hair fall. For those kind of things, these kind of products definitely work along with a good diet. Because वो तो पूरा का पूरा environment के वजह से ही cause हो रहा है, तुम्हारा कोई genetic predisposition है नहीं. मतलब अगर तुमने basics ठीक कर दिए, so you'll start growing hair back again, and that's where these products will play a huge role.
Okay, but आपके products में फिर like serum and all आप साथ में देते हो, तो what does it work? जो serum है उसका content या फिर उसके ऊपर the light therapy? How does it work that way?
So it works in combination. जो actives होते हैं ना, उनका
Actives आप एक बार define.
So actives are the ingredients which are super potent. Okay, वो बहुत ही concentrated version में होते हैं, and कोई भी carrier मतलब जैसे हमने बोला कि हम use करते हैं rosemary oil, ठीक है? तो rosemary oil हम direct use नहीं करते, उसको coconut oil में mix करके use होता है. तो इधर rosemary oil आपका active हो गया और coconut oil आपका carrier हो गया. ठीक है. Similarly, जो हमारा product है उसमें सारे science backed active ingredients है, from redensil to enagan to procopil. Now these are the ingredients which are clinically tried and tested and proven to help you show a certain hair regrowth. क्योंकि आपके हेयर में, आपके स्कैल्प में, आपके फॉलिकल में एक AHT और DHT नाम के फैक्टर्स होते हैं, ठीक है? तो वो उनको स्टिमुलेट करता है, एंड एज ही राइटली सेड के चलो आपके फॉलिकल ही डैमेज हो रहे हैं तो वो फॉलिकल निकलने ही वाले हैं. सो व्हेन योर फॉलिकल्स आर बीइंग डैमेज्ड, यू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ इट बाय क्लीनिंग अप योर डाइट. एंड अगर तुम्हारे जो फॉलिकल क्लॉग होना चालू हुए हैं या व्हेन योर फॉलिकल्स आर स्टार्टेड डैमेजिंग, बाय यूजिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ एक्टिव्स, you give them a better environment to grow. You know how a
Okay.
plant is like dying and you give them a certain environment so that they can restore and they can regrow. Similarly, the same thing is with your hair. So ये जो serums होते हैं उसके अंदर ये सारे active होते हैं और जो light है वो उन serums को ज़्यादा deeply penetrate करने में और उसका जो result है उसको enhance करने में मदद करते हैं. So both of these things goes hand in hand to show a certain result. To even simplify this further, I'll give you one example कि let's say we are playing, a kid is playing in a ground और वो गिर गया, उसको चोट लग गई. अभी खाना तो भी ऑल नो कि हल्दी खाने से तुम्हारा मतलब घाव जल्दी भर जाता है, बट वुड अ मदर विल ओनली कीप ऑन गिविंग हल्दी टू द किड, और मे बी डॉक्टर रिकमेंड कि चलो इतना विटामिन सी खा लो, क्या करेंगे, स्टिचेस करेंगे, पट्टी लगाएंगे और साथ में खाना देंगे, राइट? सो इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन दैट गोज टुगेदर.
True.
The same thing goes for your skin and your hair. You treat it from internal factors and external factors, and then you get the ultimate results.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think उसमें फिर जो सीरम आपने दिया है, this is important along with the comb.
Yes.
Can we even see the comb also as well?
Yes, here we have the comb.
अच्छा, so same blue, red and green lights for those functions.
इसमें red and blue है, but the see it works on the same concept.
अच्छा, तो
जो भी
कोलाजन
blue
वगैरह
light-
इसमें भी
हाँ जी,
सेम
हाँ
तरीके
जी.
से
Yeah.
रिक्वायर्ड है.
It is also there
Okay.
on your scalp. तो ब्लू लाइट है, अभी
Okay.
स्कैल्प के ऊपर के बैक्टीरिया को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इट इज इची स्कैल्प, इट इज
Makes
डैंड्रफ.
Correct.
sense, makes sense.
ठीक है, सो जो हमारा बैक्टीरिया होता है स्किन पे जमा होता है तो
हाँ.
एक्ने बनाता है, स्कैल्प
हाँ.
पे जाके वो डैंड्रफ बनाता है.
Right. And this has light, charging and massage.
Vibration massage. So
Massage
it has
also.
A therapeutic
How does it work?
vibration massage. So you'll have to long press it.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
like one.
Okay, now give. It's too cool to.
That's why I was taking it.
So it just helps the product penetrate better and it gives us such a therapeutic
Oh, wow.
massage. How does it
So
feel?
this can be used on
It
a
feels
daily
good,
basis.
you know. In fact, like now, if you rationalize this product, okay, it's got different modes of
Yes,
massage
yes, different
also.
modes as well.
How many strokes do you recommend? Brush strokes, आपका कुछ है ऐसा कि?
So 15 strokes one side. Like
Okay.
let's say we divide our head into 3 parts: crown, right side, left side, and downwards to upwards. So you just have to each 15 strokes each side.
Okay. So now, if I have to explain this, since I'm super excited about this, it's got blue light and red light.
Yeah.
So as Tanisha had mentioned, blue light basically fights the inflammation, kills the bacteria, etc. And the red light, I think, promotes the formation of new hair.
Yes.
So basically, the deeper layers of the scalp में red light जाके तुम्हारे अच्छी चीजें करता है. Now, along with that, what this is doing is massaging the scalp also. So again, it's promoting blood flow. जो चंपी लोग करते थे, it's the same effect that you're producing with the massaging effect over here. So this is actually, like, if you look at it on the merits of this product, it should improve hair, like it should improve your hair fall.
Scientifically, you're
Scientifically, it should work.
Yeah, in fact it does. We have a clinical trial done just on our product and it shows that your hair fall can be reduced by 67% and your hair growth will be restored by 98%.
So at what stage मतलब एक जिनके नहीं भी हो रहा है hair fall और जिनके start हुआ है, at what stage a person should use it? I mean,
See, of course, early stages, as I said, वो 6-7 में जाके follicle ही नहीं बचे हैं, तो
हाँ.
उधर तो I mean nothing can work.
But why early stages also? Why can't people just replace their comb with this comb?
yeah,
Yeah,
Like-
I mean, if you want,
How
if you don't
cost
want to
effective
get
it
into any
is?
hair fall stage, then to
Yeah.
start using only. Yeah, I mean.
how cost effective it is?
So see, this one device costs you somewhere around 3,000 rupees.
Oh, that's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair.
I mean, if it's helping you for so
Yeah.
many years, it's totally worth it. Because
Because we buy all these serums
Yeah.
and oils and everything to just the chumpy every other day we do.
And on an average, one consumer spends 1.5 से 2 lakh रुपए. Like 1.5 to 2 lakh रुपए a consumer would spend in a year on their hair treatments.
Wow.
In
I'm
salons
sure.
and at derms.
I'm
So
sure.
वो 1.5-2 लाख रुपए के सामने तुमको इधर 3,000 रुपए spend करने हैं and you are saving on your time. Because for all of us, time is the new currency, right?
Of
We
course.
don't have that much of time.
in fact, you should. I mean, now that we think about it, why don't you just promote this as a replacement for everyday कंघी? Because it's वो क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग, wide toothed भी है, उसपे massaging भी है, plus light भी है. So why can't this be the replacement for a girl's कंघी?
It should be. It should be.
It
That's
should
what we
be.
are eyeing on. That's what we want to do. So that a girl is never, girl or a guy, they are never getting into the hair fall phase
Yeah.
and saving it today.
This is your hero product?
Yes,
Is it? Is
yeah.
it? और इसका ऐसे bifurcation क्या है? I mean, how many males are using or female is your main audience who are buying it?
So 60% women, because of course we have a lot of skincare products which women would be more attracted to, and 40% are male. Male are using it to their early hair fall or maybe their male pattern baldness.
Yeah.
After PRP also they are using it. Because PRP और hair transplant कराने के बाद भी if you don't take care of that hair, it will start losing again.
Correct.
तुम बार जैसे ऐसे बोलते हैं कि पीआरपी तुम जब तक कराते रहोगे तब तक यू कैन सेव योर हेयर सो उसके बाद देन इट सो सेम वी कैन से दैट कि अगर तुम जब तक बिकॉज ये दिस इज क्वेश्चन आई सीन फॉर मिनोक्स
No, so again, it depends on what was the root cause of the hair fall. Like, what is PRP? It's basically platelet-rich plasma.
Yeah.
You're basically giving like a booster shot of nutrients to your own scalp.
True.
Now, in my opinion, and of course I'm not a dermatologist, but my opinion still matters, so I'm still going to say it. But the PRP and mesotherapy that people do when it comes to male pattern baldness is not going to be super effective. Like, even though it's sold as a treatment, or I don't personally think it's very effective. Dermatologists might disagree, but scientifically it doesn't make sense. Like, minoxidil makes sense because minoxidil is actually doing something in the scalp that promotes new hair growth. फिर finasteride जो होता है, which are tablets or even solutions that men use, is actually doing something scientifically to promote or counteract the effects of testosterone. Mesotherapy or PRP is going to help when your deficiencies are nutritional or when your deficiencies are environmental, not particularly male pattern. So I think ये differentiation तो होना ही चाहिए in terms of hair fall, and even for women. There's female pattern balding, there's male pattern balding, and then there's just balding because of 100 different reasons. If you're stressed, you're balding. It happens. So, yeah.
And even I've heard about biotin also. मतलब when it comes to hair, biotin is something जो लोग काफी I think capsule
Zinc
format
biotin
में
is a very popular formulation that people use, but I think it has its limitations. मतलब अभी तुम non-vegetarian को बोलोगे तुम biotin लो, it doesn't make sense because he's anyways getting enough biotin through his food. Like, तुमने कभी biotin deficiency किसी में actually सुनी है? It's very, very rare because biotin occurs naturally in most of your B vitamins. See, somebody had said this, that only 10% of all the supplements in the world are required and are useful. The remaining 90% are false.
10%.
Like, yeah, 10%. So, and somebody actually, was arguing that how can it be 10%? So apparently there are over 2,000 different kinds of supplementations or formulations that currently are being sold in the market. And when I say 10%, I mean 200. अगर हम तीनों भी मिलके गिनना चालू करें, हम 200 अलग supplements के नाम भी नहीं ले पाएंगे. So the number of supplements are huge. The number of effective ones are really very few. Biotin, unfortunately, might not be the most effective. Okay. But I'm not a dermatologist, so मैंने गलत भी बोल दिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Okay, disclaimer already given. तो अगर मैं simplified terms में आपसे जो reason आपने बताया है hair fall का जो major बढ़ रहा है is because of first is genetic and second I think 30% is the lifestyle.
Correct.
So at least genetic wise and even lifestyle जो ये basic चीजें हमारे पास available है, if we start using it at a very early age, it can be improved at a for the longer
100%,
time. That's what you're saying.
100%.
So one is hair fall, second is white and grey hair. So this is again two things जो बहुत ज़्यादा issue कर रही हैं, मतलब people are very much sad about it I can say. So your products, मतलब आप जैसे ये serums में जो भी content आप add करते हो, so you it's all clinically tested and experts से है. So how are you using that and adding those products, and then वो products हमें इन सब चीज़ों में भी help कर सकता है?
Yes, so see, these are the product that basically stimulates, if I talk about comb specifically, basically stimulates the blood flow in your scalp.
Right, right.
तो blood flow होता है जिससे आपके scalp के ऊपर जो melanin, because कोई भी pigmentation है जो color है वो melanin की वजह से आता है, ठीक है?
Correct.
So उससे आपका जो early age graying है वो prevent होता है.
अच्छा,
ठीक है. On the other hand क्या होता है ना कि we are applying so many chemical based oils. अभी हम mineral oil वाला oil लगाते हैं. We are coloring our hair, bleaching our hair, so it washes off the pigment of your hair, and that causes the grayness or maybe the early graying of your hair. We have a hair oil in which we have 21 Ayurvedic herbs that prevents the early age graying that happens because of any external coating on your hair or maybe any reasons that is causing your early graying of the scalp.
Again, I think there are two components to this. One is ये जो early graying is happening because of stress, inflammation, etc., etc. And two, there is a genetic component to it. Because let's take my example. There is no two, contradictions that I live an extremely unhealthy, stressed out lifestyle. Because the different kind of health conditions also that I've had, they're clearly aggravated by stress. But I don't have white hair. My dad never had white hair. My mom never had white hair. My dada dadi probably had white hair in their late 50s, early 60s. My dad is 58, 59. He barely has white hair. My mom is 55. She doesn't have white hair. I don't have white hair. My sister doesn't have white hair. So एक genetic component तो रहेगा ही, but उसको अगर तुम side पे भी रख दो, the number of people जिनको stress, environment, oxidation related issues के वजह से white hair और early graying हो रहा है, is still huge. So
Got it. And what about, because I want to get into the Bollywood stuff that because you're taking care of so many stars and everything. So Botox is one thing which is very famous, matlab we keep seeing.
I'll also get it done one day.
Oh, you will?
I think, look now, like, it's there. I mean,
but what do you think? जो कंटेंट हम उसमें डालते हैं, is it something like injections and all of that is more towards ज़रूरी है या
I mean,
how is it working?
Why do you have that iPhone?
I don't know.
ज़रूरी था?
नहीं.
That's the answer. Like, I think anything that makes you happy, as long as it is safe, or at least seems safe to you, go for it. Yeah. Like, there are 100 treatments. Skin lift क्या होता है?
Skin lift device, yeah.
Face lift होता है, Botox होता है, fillers होते हैं. There are 100 things, right? I mean, your hair is blow dried, your hair is straightened, my hair is whatever, it's colored. We do this because it makes us feel good, right? So do actors. Now, बात एक ही है. I mean, there's going to come a time where these treatments will just become a norm. It's like चश्मा. अगर मुझे ठीक नहीं दिख रहा है तो ठीक देखने के लिए मैंने चश्मा पहन लिया. अगर hearing aids, I mean, hearing aids are still a taboo. If I can't hear, I wear a hearing aid. The same way, if I don't like the wrinkles on my forehead, I inject Botox. If I don't like the shape of my chin, if I want, like, I don't like the shape of my chin. I think I want a little larger jaw. One day, if I feel vain enough, I'll probably go and get fillers done my chin. So,
but how's your demand then? जो आपके पास lip plumper है, you have face yoga के लिए face lifters and everything. So, is there a demand? How is it in the market then?
Of course, there are demands, and as he said, it is how you want to put yourself out.
Yeah.
Okay, every day wants that fuller looking, luscious looking, glossy lips, and they have tried all sort of lip glosses that claims to give them a plumpier looking lips, but nothing is happening. ठीक है. So, but अब ये वो भी consumer है जिनको जाके नहीं कराना है एक invasive treatment, वो दो injection लगाते हैं, सब करते हैं, नहीं करना है. Either you can't afford it, or maybe even if you can afford it, it is not just a treatment which you want to get through. What is the solution for them? And that's ProTouch. I mean, it's a basic device that you apply on your lips, and you get that fuller looking lips for, let's say, 4 hours. So you can get the same impact just before an event. Yeah. So there is demand, and see, all of these things are being made because there is demand. There are people going online and searching these things.
Correct.
Globally, there are people who are actually using these kind of products. ठीक है. एक टाइम था जब हमको पता नहीं था कि हम रोज हेयर ब्लो ड्राई कर सकते हैं, स्ट्रेट कर सकते हैं. हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स हैव यू नोन और मे बी हैव यू नोन हु हैव हेयर स्ट्रेटनर इन देयर हाउस एज देयर गो टू प्रोडक्ट? ठीक है, हमारे लाइक मदर्स, सिस्टर्स, फ्रेंड्स, एवरीवन, राइट? एवरीबडी हैज अ हेयर स्ट्रेटनर एंड हेयर ड्रायर टुडे. Now let's go back 20 years and see our mothers. Did they had a hair dryer and hair straightener as their everyday need? It was not.
No.
So beauty standards are changing, beauty consumers are changing. And the everyday requirements are changing, and that is what building the demand, and that is why these devices are needed.
And I think the more awareness will be out there, I think the more demand it will create. क्योंकि अभी जैसे जितना serums, like you mentioned, serums and all of those products जितना market हो रहे हैं, तो शायद लोग इसीलिए उस पे जा रहे हैं. So there is a demand. People want to try and people want to explore more. It's just they don't know the things that they have in plate. So वो I think जितना बढ़ेगा उतना लोगों तक पहुँचेगा, and that's why I think with this episode, if we could also tell this ki how LED therapies are helping, and that too you're sending it at home, at home place, at doorstep. So that would be wonderful.
I think people only know the painful and the tough parts of beauty. They still don't know about the easy and the affordable parts of beauty. And I think even I'm totally supporting ProTouch on this. I think you're doing a fabulous job with
और वो लगता है ना,
these things.
लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि यार इतना easy तो कैसे होगा, so they want to choose the difficult part. So I think that's how you are building the
probably.
Because that's what we have known, right? I mean, difficult है या महंगा है तो अच्छा है is not always
Correct.
the right.
True that, very true. तो ये awareness की भी बात हुई, you have even started content creation a lot. I mean, how is it working for you?
Started up to
I mean,
stop
you have
ही
been
हो गया
doing, I have
almost,
been
but
doing a lot of
He's the
content.
hero
Hero of
creating
content
on
creation.
Instagram.
Yeah.
so this started in the lockdown
Yeah.
क्योंकि कुछ करने को था नहीं.
हाँ.
So we thought कि let's try because बचपन से always it was there, you know कि we need to be little famous. Nobody's saying you have to be very famous, but little famous for your self satisfaction. So it started, it picked up. This year has been really tough for me in terms of content because I've been super involved with Food Darzi. But hopefully this podcast is, doing this podcast just reminds me how much I love creating content.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just fun. I think it's two things. One, you get to ज्ञान बांटने में मजा आता है. Everybody wants to sort of barter their opinion. Two, it's fun being recognized. Like it's very rewarding.
So I will ask you, अगर आपका जैसे Food Darzi में, because it's you that people
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
So कितना एक balance जरूरी है according to you to maintain the PR when it comes to business or startups also.
So बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसीलिए लुकिंग एट यू बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिकॉज एटलीस्ट ये मैंने भी पॉडकास्ट में ही सुना है, क्योंकि इतना मैं कभी सोचता नहीं हूँ. बट वॉट पीपल आर सेइंग इज दैट द न्यू जनरेशन इज कनेक्टिंग टू दोज ब्रांड्स जिनकी स्टोरी अच्छी है, जिनके फाउंडर से वो कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जिनके फाउंडर के व्यूज उनसे अलाइन होते हैं. सो फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव. Two, I think personal branding in general is very important. Like, you want to be known for the work that you do. You want people to know who is the face behind a product or a company that is doing great work. And three, it's just self-satisfaction. Like, think about it, tomorrow you walk down from this place and somebody comes and tells you that, I've seen you and I admire what you're doing. It feels great. Like, we're all dopamine addicts. So, बस उसी एक किक के लिए आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ इट. सो ऑल आइज ऑन यू.
All eyes on fruit.
Okay, so I want to ask you also, अभी ये जितने भी थे cosmetic treatments और lot of things are happening globally, तो people have started accepting it, but how is the market in India? What do you think?
I think it's only growing. Like, purchasing power is increasing. Awareness about beauty treatments is increasing. Women in general are willing to spend more on feeling good about themselves, which is so great. That is increasing. So I think the market is only increasing. And even products like these, they're super innovative, but similar things have... So when I say similar things, इनका अगर तुम बड़ा मशीनरी साइज वाला जो होता है, ये हमारे सैलॉन्स में, पार्लर्स में ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता था. लाइक जब तुम when you were getting a facial or things like that done, तभी भी वो तुमको एक बड़ा सारा मास्क और ये करंट वो करंट, they've already been doing these things. What ProTouch is doing and what Tanisha is doing is she is making that into a consumer size, selling it to you for an affordable amount, but still giving you the same functionality as what a parlor or a salon or a whatever spa facility would give you. So ये नहीं है कि ये products पहले नहीं होते थे. She's just put them in a form factor which is so easy to use. And she's backing it up with technology. Like उस time पे, like again, I'm not a woman. I do not go to a parlor. But from my mother, my sister, clients, they talk about these things, but they're not very sure whether जो parlor में हो रहा है वो scientific है कि नहीं, क्योंकि parlor is not a doctor's cabin. But जो यहाँ हो रहा है, she's backing it up with science. There's clinical trials happening. So I think it's just going to grow. Like in fact, if you've got some some equity left to sort of, I'm happy to invest in the company. I think my money is going to grow.
He's already convinced.
And your money is gonna grow.
That's a good one. Skin's going to glow, money is going to grow.
Wow.
I mean, that's it. And yeah, I mean to as rightly said that अभी हमने images देखे होंगे global salons के, in fact spa के बड़े-बड़े red light palettes होते हैं. And globally this term biohacking is gaining a lot of popularity. तो ये सब चीजों में भी टेक्नोलॉजी यही यूज हो रहा है. It's just किसी को पता नहीं तो कोई यूज नहीं करता.
Correct.
और ये अभी इनफैक्ट ये हाइड्रा फेशियल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, इट इज लाइक एट अ बूम. पीपल आर गोइंग अ लॉट आउट एंड दीज फेशियल्स एंड एवरीथिंग दे आर गेटिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इज दिस वर्किंग? इज इट मेकिंग सेंस?
उनको ही डायरेक्ट करो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट अ हाइड्रा फेशियल इज.
I really want to know, and I think every woman who is watching wants to know more about it. So, what Hydra facial is and how is it working? I mean,
See, Hydra facial is basically a clinical or maybe a more high-end kind of a facial in which they penetrate serums on your skin by cleansing your skin with the help of a vacuum suction, जिससे आपके blackhead, whitehead, pores सब clean हो जाता है. And then they infuse serums in combination of water और वो air pressure के साथ, water pressure के साथ आपके skin के ऊपर serums को penetrate करते हैं. This is the basic Hydra facial term that I have come across to. अब क्या होता है ना कि यही सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स आप घर पे सिंप्लीफाइड वे में कर सकते हैं कि आप वो सीरम लगाओ और उसके ऊपर यू यूज योर मसाजर, यू यूज योर डिवाइस एंड टू गेट दैट सीरम, दैट क्रीम पेनिट्रेट बेटर ऑन योर स्किन. तो जो आप हर महीने हाइड्रा फेशियल कराते हो या मे बी लेट्स से हर महीने जो आप कोई स्किन ट्रीटमेंट कराते हो स्पेसिफिक, वो आप 3 महीने में कराओ.
In fact, a lot of these Korean products which has these peptides and ceramides and all that, these are getting really famous. So first of all, and peptides, ceramides, vitamin C, I think these products you are also using. You have so इनका क्या ज़रूरत है? Why these are very important and why are even you using it?
See, vitamin C, let me break it down. Vitamin C एक ऐसा ingredient है ना कि अभी हर कोई vitamin C यूज कर रहा है. सबको पता है कि vitamin C क्या है, पर किसी को ये नहीं पता कि vitamin C को AHA के साथ नहीं यूज कर सकते. AHA is an exfoliation agent basically. ठीक है, जिससे आपका स्किन एक्सफोलिएट होता है, जैसे ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड हो गया या फिर आपका सैलिसिलिक एसिड हो गया. विटामिन C जो होता है उनको इन सारे एक्सफोलिएटिंग एजेंट्स के साथ आप यूज नहीं कर सकते. All of these active ingredients needs to be used in the right formulation and right concoction of the quantity. ठीक है. सेरामाइड जो होता है वो आपके स्किन बैरियर को रिपेयर करता है. तो विटामिन सी जब आपकी स्किन की सेंसिटिविटी को बढ़ाता है, वी हैव आल्सो पुट इन सेरामाइड्स एंड पेप्टाइड्स इन आवर यूनिकॉर्न सीरम. सो वो विटामिन सी की इंटेंसिटी को रेगुलेट करता है, आपके स्किन बैरियर को रिपेयर करता है. ठीक है. Ceramides in general helps protecting and clearing up your skin barrier.
So people should use it.
So the combination is very important and that is the reason we are always curating a multi-peptide and multi-active based serums.
तो ये आपके सारे serums में ये सारी चीजें रहती
हमारे multi-active based है. So even if I talk about my hair growth serum, उसमें सिर्फ Redensil is not an active. उसमें Redensil है, उसमें Enagen है, उसमें Procopil भी है, जो multiple concerns को target करता है from your hair fall to your hair regrowth. Because hair fall and hair regrowth are again two problems. Cosmetic industry को इतना बड़ा बना दिया है और इतना complex बना दिया है कि अब एक रोज नया ब्रांड आ रहा है जो चाहता है कि मैं कॉस्मेटिक को सिंप्लीफाइड करूं और उसको वो मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स कर रहा है.
Very true.
So that is why we need technology and this understanding that एक कंज्यूमर नो कि उसको किस चीज की जरूरत है और वो वही यूज करे.
Okay. Redensil के लिए do you have anything in your mind?
Yeah, in fact, like Redensil of course is a newer compound. Redensil and minoxidil are two compounds that are compared very actively. They're not the same, first of all. And they basically work with different mechanisms of action. In fact, studies like ये 2020 में भी study हुई थी, 21 में भी study हुई थी, where it was shown that Redensil is actually more effective than minoxidil. The paper mentioned that if minoxidil was causing 9% of hair density growth, Redensil was causing 14%, which is almost double. So, of course, I'm sure Redensil is going to continuously be studied more and more. But based on research, Redensil is proving to be more effective than minoxidil.
And you have these in your products?
Yes, we have Redensil, we have Enagen, Procopil, like 6 to 7 actives.
So that was the reason you particularly researched and took this particular, this thing, product or whatever we say, in your serums and everything.
Yeah, so it's a very research intensive process.
Yeah.
From your curating a serum to getting a device. The entire process is very consumer centric and very research oriented. When we are talking about serum, most of the women, why we do not want to wash our, why we do not want to oil our hair? Because we have to go to the work next day and we don't want to wake up with the oily hair.
True.
Our entire life is revolving around our hair wash cycle.
True.
And that is the reason if you look at my serum. Right? I mean, if any woman in your life is going to work, will be like, okay, calculation.
Correct.
So, to simplify that, my serum is like water based. So we want to be very sure that whatever product we are providing are very consumer lifestyle focused, and it is just making their life easier.
But these are universal, like everyone can use these products. क्योंकि जनरली ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, कस्टमाइज हर स्किन का, हर हेयर का अपना एक तरीका होता है जिससे वो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने होते हैं. तो आपके लिए मतलब द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू आर यूजिंग, इट्स यूनिवर्सल.
It is universal. Everyone who just wants to feel good or maybe work on their skin and hair can use our product. क्या होता है ना कि ये सारे products कई बार नॉन कोमेडोजेनिक नहीं होते हैं, कोमेडोजेनिक प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, जिससे आपके स्किन और हेयर फॉलिकल्स जो है वो ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं, जो एक्ने में रिजल्ट देते हैं.
कोमेडोजेनिक, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन?
कोमेडोजेनिक जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उसके अंदर जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं बेसिकली दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मुलेशन दैट हैज चांसेस टू क्लॉग योर पोर्स. नॉन कोमेडोजेनिक जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं दे आर टेस्टेड दैट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट क्लॉगिंग योर पोर्स और नॉट क्लॉगिंग योर फॉलिकल्स. ठीक है, तो इस तरह का ये फॉर्मुलेशन बना हुआ है नॉन कोमेडोजेनिक, सो दैट एवरीवन कैन एक्चुअली यूज इट. And all of these products are not again heavily oil based, water based product है, so even a oily skin can use it, even a dry skin can use it, you double it up on the layers. So we are very focused on curating simplified and beauty and tech for everyone kind of the product at True Touch.
So I think women though must be like really interested in all of this, but what about men? I mean, how are you finding this? Would you like to take all of these products home?
You've seen how I'm like a child with these products because it's super intriguing, right?
Yeah.
Like I mean, I don't know what to say. I think you can just put me in one of your ads because I'm going to become your #1 advocate.
Wow. This I am noting.
And but I can see he's very convinced about it. I mean,
I do seem convinced, yeah.
Yeah. So even एक बहुत important जो आप प्रॉब्लम बोल सकते हो when it comes to women is like the facial hair and lot of people, अब ये बहुत मिक्स्ड है. आप बहुत जगह आप देखोगे कि लोग बोलते हैं वैक्सिंग करा लो, बट दैट अगेन वैक्सिंग करा के एक्ने होते हैं एंड इट ओपन्स अप द पोर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. फिर बोलते हैं थ्रेडिंग करा लो या ब्लेड्स, बट ब्लेड से वो कट होने का इशू इज लाइक एवरीवेयर एंड यू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट फॉर दैट ऑल्सो विच हैज अगेन LED एंड एवरीथिंग. सो हाउ इज दैट सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम? आई रियली वांट टू नो बिकॉज ये बहुत कंफ्यूजन है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कराना चाहिए या नहीं कराना चाहिए, और कराना चाहिए तो व्हाट इज द राइट अप्रोच, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिबेट दैट इज हैपनिंग. सो प्लीज गाइड अस ऑन दैट.
See, अभी फेशियल हेयर रिमूवल कराना चाहिए कि नहीं कराना चाहिए इज अ पर्सनल चॉइस.
What's his answer? What do you think?
I mean, I like my women with facial hair.
Women, please take a note.
No, but going back to her.
Yeah, I mean, see, of course, it's a personal choice.
Yeah.
पर अगर कराना है तो go for the right methods.
Okay.
Waxing, I feel, I have seen people around me, experts around me saying कि waxing से आपकी स्किन पे बहुत सारा टेंशन क्रिएट होता है, राइट, और उसकी वजह से एक्ने होते हैं, आपका स्किन जल्दी सैग होने लगता है. सो दैट्स नॉट द बेस्ट वे टू गो अबाउट इट. Again, when you are using razors, it's a very harsh thing to do to your skin. And वो razor का to clean the razor to make sure that it is hygienic every time you use it is something you need to take care of.
And the nicks and cuts, right? Like
Yeah.
razor तो मैं भी use करता हूँ, so I can contribute to this.
Yeah, I mean cuts are something every woman faces कि भाई चलो razor किया cut लग गया.
True.
So to prevent all of this and give a better alternative and a better solution, we have a dermaplaning device. So it also exfoliates your skin at the same time while removing facial hair. तो आपका जो स्किन केयर है वो बेटर काम करता है, आपकी स्किन एक स्मूदर सॉफ्टर कैनवस की जैसी फील होती है इफ यू वांट टू पुट ऑन द मेकअप. एंड देयर इज अ मिथ कि अगर आप कुछ भी फेशियल हेयर रिमूव करते हो तो आपके हेयर थिकर या डार्कर रीग्रो करते हैं. बट आवर प्रोडक्ट इज डिजाइंड इन अ वे विथ द टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ सोनिक वाइब्रेशन. It does not make your hair thicker, darker or harsh after removing your hair. It's just the normal process that you can do it at your home.
Okay, wow. So I think that's a good solution to every woman. And does it work with men in terms of shaving and everything?
No, so this is a women's device. Dermaplaning is for women. For men, we are working on something which will be out soon.
Wow, nice. And what about I mean ये जो हमने सारी बातें करी है, I want to ask you, nutrition का हमारे स्किन पे कितना फर्क पड़ता है? फिर
बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
Externally is one thing which is very important that I know and I understand now. What about the internal factor?
So 3 things. One तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. Let's start with the simplest thing, which is water. Okay. So now water again is pretty controversial because there are certain people जो ये बोलते हैं कि तुम अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पियोगे तो कुछ लोग बोलते हैं but your skin starts glowing etc etc, and there are multiple doctors who will say that no, like you drink the adequate amount of water and your skin doesn't really need excess amounts of water. but mota moti na idhar ki na udhar ki, drink an adequate amount of water so that your skin is hydrated per se. But now let's talk about more important things. Number one is protein. कोलेजन की हमने बात करी थी, करेक्ट? कोलेजन बॉडी में बनता है. कोलेजन क्या है? एक प्रोटीन है. इट्स एन अमीनो एसिड थिंग. सो अगर तुम इनफ प्रोटीन नहीं खा रहे हो, योर स्किन स्टार्ट सैगिंग. A lot of people say this, you know, कि weight loss के बाद मेरी बहुत sagging वाली skin हो गई थी. It's cause they're not eating enough protein. Along with fat, they're also losing muscle, and their skin also starts sagging. So protein तो is like the building block of everything. So for stronger bones, healthier skin, you need the protein. Number two is fat. You have to have a certain amount of healthy fat that sort of lubricates your skin. हाइड्रेशन अगर पानी करता है तो सॉफ्टनेस, सपलनेस, मॉइस्चराइजर इज लाइक द फैट. सो इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग इनफ फैट, योर स्किन विल गो ड्राई. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. तो अब जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हो गए, बेसिकली लेट्स सिंप्लीफाई दैट टू चीनी, बिकॉज ऑल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इवेंचुअली ब्रेक डाउन टू गिव यू ग्लूकोज. अगर तुम बहुत ज्यादा चीनी खा रहे हो, इट्स इंक्रीजिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस on your skin, which means it's increasing the amount of inflammation in your skin, which means it can cause the acne, it can cause the aging of the skin, it can cause the fine lines, the wrinkles. If you're moving towards a pre-diabetic zone because your diet is not fine, you can see people have those dark patches on their necks. So these are pre-diabetics, diabetics, so technically pigmentation on the skin. So yes, a large part of what you eat or don't eat affects the way your skin behaves.
Okay, and even you spoke about the keto diet that you started when it started, the wave started and all of that. So keto diet का and first of all keto diet क्या है, कैसे काम करते हैं, and second I think with Sara you worked with keto for specifically with keto diet, and we all know that how foodie she is. So how did it work? How did it go that way?
So I think एक तो कीटो डाइट इज सच जहाँ पे देर आर नो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इन द डाइट. सो देर इज नो राइस, रोटी, पोटैटो, व्हीट, एनीथिंग दैट कैन पोटेंशियली इवन टेस्ट स्वीट ऑन योर टंग, वो कीटो में नहीं होता है. सो इट्स एसेंशियली अ हाई फैट और अ मॉडरेट फैट, मॉडरेट प्रोटीन, वेरी वेरी लो कार्ब डाइट, जहाँ पे तुम्हारे कार्ब सिर्फ सब्जियां हो सकती है. सो ये करने से तुम्हारी बॉडी की डिपेंडेंस ऑन रनिंग ऑन ग्लूकोज खत्म हो जाती है, एंड इट स्टार्ट्स रनिंग ऑन फैट. सो लाइक राइट नाउ you need the roti or you need the rice or you need the chocolate to fuel you with energy because your body is currently running on carbs. वहाँ पे it runs on fat. Now whoever does keto को दिमाग में एक बार रखना है that say for 45 days, 50 days, I will not be allowed to touch certain tasty things. On the flip side, some foods are tastier on keto. क्योंकि तुम बटर चिकन खाओगे या पनीर मखनी खाओगे, ये सारी चीज़ों में तुमको बटर या घी पे इतना फोकस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली फोकस रहेगा, बट तुम चल ही उस बटर और घी पे रहे हो. दैट्स योर फ्यूल. सो you don't feel that guilty while eating it, but obviously you miss your carbs. Like we are too conditioned since birth to eat carbs, so you do start missing your carbs. This is why most people do say that keto is not the most sustainable diet. But वही डाइट वाली बात है, मन बांध लिया तो हो जाता है.
So who is your most disciplined client, I would ask?
I think most disciplined is Alia Bhatt. Like nothing beats her level of discipline. Nothing.
Is it? So मतलब no tantrums or
zero tantrums, super person to work with, treats you with a lot of respect, and is super disciplined. Like whatever you tell her, she does.
And how did you got connected with
Again,
her?
pretty random. Like I was, in fact, I was sitting in a salon and I get a call from Bulgaria. So I didn't know it was her, but she was shooting with Ranbir for. Actually, I didn't ask her which film that was, but this was like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. And she got my number from her mother, Soni auntie, Soni Razdan. So she was a client of mine, and she passed on the number to Alia, and then Alia started take the diet, then Ranbir started, and then I've been working with them for about 5-6 years now.
Wow. So they tell you everything, like whatever they're eating, and if any, I mean, cheat things are happening.
So pehle it used to be more micromanaging, but now since we're both comfortable with each other, information that is supposed to be passed on is passed on.
Wow. And उसमें फिर ऐसा होता है, like people are, you know, at times they become too typical, and orthorexia is the word term, right, for that. Like they get very much.
They do, but at least in the clients that I have been dealing with, I haven't found any of them like that.
Yeah.
Not like if I found मैं इस show पे बता देता. but
Revealer होना चाहिए शो पे.
no, but on a genuine note, I personally haven't seen it. I've seen bulimia, I've seen anorexia in a couple of random clients, but it exists.
So what's the difficult, matlab, any difficult diet or anything, any regime that you've seen that people, because of probably next day shoot
I mean,
and they're
वो तो
following?
हम भी कभी-कभी उनको suggest करते हैं, like with no disclosure, like I'll give you one hack. So supposing there is a shoot for which you have to wear a bikini, for example. Now तुम obviously कीटो पे चले जाते हो लास्ट 3, 4, 5, 6 दिन में, क्योंकि कीटो में क्या होता है कि जो भी ब्लोट होता है, एक्सेस वाटर होता है, वो भी बाहर निकल आता है. So you're looking more crisp. Another thing that can be done is that the previous night you sort of have say 2 shots or 3 shots of alcohol, because alcohol is a further dehydrator. Then probably you can have a little bit of coffee, because that's also a dehydrator. Then if you're a little more anal, if you want to look a more certain way, then you can actually have a diuretic, which is not recommended for anybody who's watching this. मेरे को बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए था, but ये होता है that people will have, they'll go to their doctor and they'll take a prescription for a diuretic ताकि और पानी निकल आए, because they want to look एकदम crisp. So again, these are the bad sides, right? Like again, they have to do it. Maybe they don't feel confident enough in a bikini without looking like how they look एकदम crisp. Or maybe the director has told them that तुमको ऐसा ही दिखना है, तो वो प्रेशर उनके ऊपर है.
This is like the dark side of.
Yeah, like अंदर का अपने को क्या मालूम क्या हो रहा है.
तो अगर मैं आपसे ऐसा पूछूं कि एक चीज जो you know हम ऐसे as an outsiders we are and as an insider you are, you want to tell to people who have been thinking about something, मतलब जो एक conflicting दिमाग में घूमता है ना, तो one thing that you want to say to us.
So one thing is that don't compare your standards with a celebrity or an actor's standards, क्योंकि वो पैसे ही कमाते हैं by living up to these standards. Like you probably would not go and watch their movies, or you would not consider them to be aspirational if they didn't look and behave a certain way. So it's their job and their rosy roti to take these calculated risks and be this way. You don't have to. Now, yeah, you don't have to. I mean, that's the reality. And part 2, even what you see on screen is not always how it really is. Like टचअप्स होते हैं, मेकअप होता है, लाइक दिस तो यू ऑल्सो नो. अगर तुम कॉन्टूरिंग में क्या होते हो, तुम शैडो बनाते हो, तो तुम अपनी जॉ लाइन को शार्प बना देते हो, राइट? सो हाँ, मैं भी तो करता हूँ, बट लाइक दैट्स व्हाट इट इज, राइट? सो नाउ इमेजिन दिस सेम कॉन्टूरिंग इज हैपनिंग ऑन अ कंप्यूटर वेयर यू आर बीइंग एबल टू कॉन्टूर मच बेटर. तो तुम शायद कभी, तुम भी अगर वो सेम चीज करोगे तो वैसे दिख लोगे, बट a large part of it is not realistic. It's not possible to be that way 365 days of the year.
True.
And even if it is true, then they worked their ass off for it, and that one particular day they're looking that great. They don't look that great throughout. उसके लिए बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं.
True that, because that's their profession.
That's their profession, and when they look their best, they're actually at their most vulnerable and their weakest body-wise, because they've done so much to get there.
Now I'm even more into pro-touch, bro. This is better. अपना घर पे शांति से we live and we have a glowy skin for ourselves. In fact, मेरे को इसमें याद आया आपका एक you have the lip plumper also, है ना?
Yeah.
So how does that work? Is it something like वो जो जैसे हम lip fillers kind of stuff होता है we inject? So is it something like that, or how does it work that way?
So it is a device that works on the regulated vacuum suction technology. ठीक है, ये क्या होता है कि एक डिवाइस है, इसके ऊपर आपको अपने होठ पे लगाना है, एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट इंटेंसिटीज, सो यू कैन स्विच ऑन द इंटेंसिटीज बेस्ड ऑन योर टॉलरेंस लेवल, एंड इट क्रिएट्स द ब्लड फ्लो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सक्शन. तो वो जो ब्लड फ्लो का बूस्ट आता है आपके होठ के ऊपर, उसकी वजह से द लिप्स लुक फुलर, एंड द रिजल्ट लास्ट फॉर गुड 4 to 5 hours.
Okay.
So it is not at all invasive or painful treatment, but it is much better than those superficial glosses or maybe topical products.
And how long it lasts?
So it depends on person to person, but good 4-5 hours the plumpness would be there.
Wow. Okay. So that is one thing. And what about you have this thing also like the face lifter and all of that, because that's
Yeah.
one thing. क्योंकि आजकल face yoga is something जो लोग बहुत, even celebrities like we spoke
Yeah,
about.
face yoga is really in.
really
Gua sha, I
in.
think that's what it's called.
Yeah, and content person से देखे तो people are also buying it, but वही होता है ना, तुम ले तो लेते हो just एक Instagram reel देख के, but you don't use it. So
Yeah.
how is that working, and how is the market for that?
So it is basically a device, or maybe this techniques or facial massage. It is all based on lymphatic drainage. How we say it, body may say they reduce the excessive water weight, but your body is getting into water retention. You wake up with a puffy face.
Correct.
Right. So to reduce that puffiness, it is recommended to use facial massage technique. Now, when you are using your fingers to massage your face or maybe external tool, उसका intensity और result एक certain level तक ही जाता है, ठीक है. But when you are including technology with that device, उसका effectiveness 10 times बढ़ जाता है. And it also gives you a instant lift. Instant lift देता है because वो आपका puffiness ही उधर से निकल गया, water retention निकल गया. So then the actual face, the sharpness is coming up.
So that is again a daily use thing. It helps in long term, or it's just instant वाला?
So see, these like अगर immediate जो आपका water retention is being reduced, so on the spot your face looks sharp.
Correct.
And when you use it regularly, जो आपका excessive puffiness होता था जिसके साथ आप रोज उठते थे वो नहीं रहता है. So eventually you see a lifter looking appearance. आपके जो smile lines होते हैं, forehead lines होते हैं, उसके ऊपर it starts impacting.
And scientifically, it's also working on red
Yes,
light,
yes, yes.
green
It's-
light, and all of that. Do you have that one
Yes,
here?
we have all of the device. Yes, so this is the device. Yeah, so it comes with red, blue, and green.
We're
LED
making
lights.
Siddhant try everything.
Yes, and we want a feedback.
Yeah.
So it also has a vibration massage.
That's feeling good.
So you have to do it upwards.
Okay. कैसे? Upwards.
Upwards, yes. Yes.
Oh.
So you see your skin is being just pushed up.
Makes sense.
So जैसे वो आप facial भी कराते हो, right? So they do upward strokes on your skin to make it lifted looking appearance.
Right,
How you
right.
massage your cheeks here, so वो uplifted appearance आता है.
Wow. I think
Okay.
you have touched all those issues
Yeah.
जो daily basis पर लोगों को होते हैं, but वो क्या करे, छोड़ दो वाला situation होता है ना, and they just leave it. So I think you're just focusing on that, और वो भी घर पे बैठ के. I think technology wise, I think that's wonderful. What do you have to say?
मैं ये सोच रहा था कि बेटर लग रहा हूँ कि नहीं.
We should have clicked on that.
Yeah. That's nice. So one, अगर मैं आपसे कैसे myth और mistake बोलूँ, पूछूँ जो that's happening in the industry when it comes to cosmetics and beauty, what would you say?
Okay, a myth and mistake. So if we are talking about myth bursting, I'll give you 3.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
फेशियल हेयर रिमूव करने से हेयर रीग्रोथ थिक होता है, और मे बी शेविंग करने से ओवरऑल रीग्रोथ हेयर की थिक होती है.
True.
दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मिथ.
Okay.
या सो आपका जो हेयर ग्रोथ है दैट्स अ नेचुरल ग्रोथ, वो कभी भी
Fair
थिक
enough.
ग्रो नहीं होता. ठीक है. Second myth is coconut oil is the solution to everything, or maybe whatever oils we are buying from market are working its best. It's not the case. Coconut oil is great. We have all been, grown up and raised seeing coconut oil around us. But if it is winter and you are applying coconut oil on your scalp, it might cause dandruff, or it clogs your pores because it is too heavy. So no, oils are not a solution to everything. And third would be कि LED use करने से मेरे बाल जल तो नहीं जाएंगे. That's not going to happen.
Wow.
You are only going to get good results.
True. I mean, that's really something जो हर इंसान के दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं. Anything you want to add?
I mean, skincare and stuff, so she is the queen. I have
Okay,
nothing
when
to
it
add.
comes to nutrition, any myths and mistakes that people are doing?
Yeah, so one mistake is that people think that if they're eating healthy, the calories of the food doesn't matter. तो लोगों को ये लगता है कि अगर मैंने बहुत सारे बादाम खा लिए क्योंकि वो हेल्दी हैं, या बहुत सारे वॉलनट्स खा लिए, तो मेरा वजन नहीं बढ़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे को बताया गया कि वो हेल्दी है. But at the end of the day, everything is mathematics. Everything boils down to calories in versus calories out. Yes, your long-term health is dependent on where those calories come from. तो अच्छे calories खाओगे तो long-term health is better. But in the short term, weight gain, weight loss is only based on the mathematics. That's myth number 1. Myth number 2 is that milk is good for health. I am a complete non-believer in milk. I'm not saying non-believer in dairy, non-believer in milk, because okay, milk has a certain amount of protein per glass, but it also has a very large amount of lactose, which is a simple glucose, like a simple sugar molecule. I rather do curd, जिसमें तुमको वो good bacteria भी मिल रहे हैं, which is a good probiotic. तुमको प्रोटीन भी उतना ही मिल रहा है जितना दूध में था, मे बी इवन मोर. एंड तीसरा, तुमको वो चीनी नहीं मिल रही जो दूध के अंदर थी, विच इज ऑल्सो एज बैड फॉर यू एज नॉर्मल शुगर इज. सो दैट्स myth number 2. Myth number 3 is that you can't, people think that अगर तुम रोज वर्कआउट कर रहे हो तो एवरीथिंग ओके, बट यू कांट आउटवर्क अ बैड डाइट. जब तुम वर्कआउट करते हो, तुम अगर ट्रेडमिल पे 1 घंटा भागोगे, तुम 500 कैलोरीज या 600 कैलोरीज बर्न करोगे. बट अगर तुमने 3 चॉकलेट खा ली या अगर 2 स्निकर्स बार भी खा ली, दैट इज द 600 कैलोरीज. सो टू बर्न ऑफ 2 स्निकर्स बार्स, 1 hour ऑफ रनिंग ऑन द ट्रेडमिल. सो देयर इज नो वे टू आउट वर्कआउट अ बैड डाइट.
We were looking at each other because we do that. So we know. Now you have seen, you know your nutrition part, which is important, but you have seen the technology part now. So what do you think about it? How technology is now changing the skin and beauty industry? Whatever you have seen in this podcast.
Learned is a very good word, because I think I've learned a lot in this podcast. So I think the main thing that I've learned is that the technology is validated. What I've learned is that these are things that people have been doing with larger setups in salons. It just needs to be accepted as a do it at home product because these were things that you sometimes didn't do because you had the friction of going to a salon and paying these high prices, but now that problem has been alleviated. 2, I think most of the products that I saw here were super scientifically backed. Like even when I went back, like when I first met Tanisha, she had shown me these products. And if you just go to Google Scholar, which gives you research papers, you can type in any of these technologies and you'll see that these exist and they're peer reviewed. So मेरे को कभी भी दिमाग में था ही नहीं that these products are gimmicky just because they come from the beauty industry. Because you know people have this tendency to think this way क्योंकि beauty industry है तो कुछ भी दे रहे हैं. But this is just not the case over here. So overall I am super impressed, and the offer still stands that give me a chance to make money.
I will definitely.
Like true that, but I'll add on to that. I mean, when I was researching about the red light therapy, so there were lot of videos where you know they just tick mark whether it works or not, because people are still getting to know about it. People don't know.
And ये सिर्फ बढ़ेगा. Like what we tried to do in this conversation was to have a candid conversation about these products so that people know how they work, what they do, and that they're real. Like this is not an ad that we're doing. This is a real conversation with real people trying real products. And eventually, if we try them enough, we'll see real results.
True that, true that. Matlab everywhere it's a tick mark. It's a go ahead for when it comes to the LED therapy. So again, kudos to you, bro. I mean, you're doing a wonderful job. Super amazing work you're doing. I mean, I am very much fascinated and happy to see that women, it's not just a feminism, but women are doing so good. And एक ये बहुत बड़ा market gap है यार जो आप पूरा कर रहे हो, एंड विच आई थिंक पीपल नीड इट. ये जो होता है ना कि ये प्रॉब्लम का कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं था तो इसलिए भूल गए प्रॉब्लम, आई थिंक वो सिचुएशन आपने सॉल्व करी. सो थैंक यू सो मच, एंड थैंक यू सो मच सिद्धांत फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे.
थैंक यू.
सुपर अमेजिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन.